so who chrome kakra na me fear video because I'm busy we share chrome kakra about it's okay. Yo, Mati, later, bye. I see in video. Take a video.
Friday, no better than you.
Yeah, video, and I'm in my
standing now, so I'll be so sure now who can just say, wow,
Ghana Tourist Information Center. Tourist Information Center. Ghana goes green. This is Accra. Still in Accra. It's the Canadian Embassy right here. Canadian Embassy. Canadian Embassy. No photography allowed. That's the Canadian Embassy. Just went past it. Nuku. Well, see, okay, I say better because the road's not. double double. Yeah, better. TV shows sign it. If I win it, that guy is winning. Still, after my road, beware of dogs. Beware of dogs. That's the Nigerian embassy right there. You see the Nigerian flag right there. It's the Nigerian embassy. My Anago brothers and sisters. Nigerian embassy in Ghana. It says right here, Residence Nigerian High Commission, Accra, Ghana, 42nd Independence Avenue. You can see the flag right there. Palm trees are blocking it off, but you can still see it right there. The green, white, and green. Same colors as the wall. We are still in Accra on the Independence Avenue. This looks like a guest house with the American flag, as you can see right there. Independence Avenue and LCC Street. Barclays. That's the Ghana flag right there. That is Ghana National Association of Teachers. Ghana National Association of Teachers. Building. Very nice edifice. Beautiful edifice. You see the bus right there? The bus that just went past me was one of the mass transportations we have in Ghana. I think it's run by the city of Accra. Then you have the Ghanaian German Center right here in this building as well. We have a signpost right here, Ghanaian German Center. Ghana's Heights. You see right there. Ghana National Association of Teachers Heights. Ghanaian German Center. Then you have the Institute of Economic Affairs, also housed in this building. This nice edifice. The IEA is well known for, their contributions economically and politically in Ghana's democratic dispensation. Institute of Economic Affairs, one of the biggest think tanks in Ghana. The list goes on and on. So that's one of my favorites right there. Under the red umbrella, you see a woman selling cocoyam, fried cocoyam. Fried cocoyam and fried. Atomo. Potato, yeah, fried sweet potato and fried yam. We call it atomo. Atomo and abakubi. Koliko, we call it koliko. So right there, we call it koliko. It's fried yam and fried sweet potato with some meat and some fried meat, fried fish. Fried meat as in guinea fowl, sometimes turkey, one of my favorites. Another favorite of mine is fried plantain. Yes, fried plantain and grilled plantain. So we are the Independence Avenue Gardens. And you have one of my favorite countries in the world, Embassy of the Republic of Niger, where the word Niger comes from. You can see right there. And take a good look at the symbolism. You have I don't know what animal that is. And then you have the sun being represented right there. Right there. You can see right there. And the palace as well. That's the Nigerian embassy. We have a power bank right here to my right. So I'm just giving you a tour. That's one of the buses right there. I'm just giving you a tour of Accra. flag or person, Eagle too. Yeah, they were. Well, they just a 1 year class, but. Okay. So I'm start. Well, they know me a lot of stuff already, but you build up on your knowledge. Okay. If you make ramen, you will be real. Yeah, I'm telling you. I'm still learning every single day. Book I'm reading. I just learned something that blew my mind. And now, book I'm reading. The latest book I'm reading. The 2 books number. Accra maybe. It just blew my mind. And because BAM library. No, Legon bookshop. Yeah, books. Yeah, Methodist bookshop. Yeah, books. Within a week. So if you minimum bear runs in your MTN fiber. So how to start doing research on your own. How you can spot what is what, and how you can choose what to ignore and what to focus on. There's knowledge everywhere. If you don't know I can give you your power. Make your book amount or statistics about your own history as fantasy and accounts in general. You'll be blown. Your mind will be blown. Say, how come you don't know all these years? Because you've been brainwashed to think, say, yeah, history is evil or it's wrong. So you have the King Hassan Road and Independence Avenue. You have the fauna, the trees right here blocking the view. I have a different private number. So I don't pick private calls. My guys themselves. Name classmate Victor. No, I'm classmate. I'm not junior. Because of Jai and of course yeah, so friends in the brand. Friends in the second we meet. We used to be some time to go SD. For starting all over again. I've seen the results in yet. But even it wasn't that really good. Just a low improvement. So what was it? Waste is kakwa. So I say, Uncle Beko technical school be akono. That's another problem we have in Ghana. We think say technical school education is for Mama, which is the most stupid thing ever. Go Germany. Technical schools, technical universities, Germany, no. All the latest scientific stuff in the world all comes from Germany. Even the US, they get everything from Germany. Yeah. It's because they have the highest number of technical universities in the world. It's all technical stuff. Technical. Creativity. Using great people like you. Using a creative mind to solve the problems they have today. So they are done here, their churches. Sort of finding thinkers. Hello? 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 Let me break it. I don't know. I think they're bias. There's no voice now. There you have the college, Ghana College of Physicians and Surgeons. When in Paris? Since you are no, Miss Winnie. I don't know. Let me show you. Oh. One minute so home. Oh, my. It's with another ministries right here. Another one. Afrima Music Awards. Afrima All Africa Music Awards. November 25th. Oh, Michael Blankson. Wow. You already know the comedian Michael Blankson. He's Ghanaian as well. He's here for the Afrima All Africa Music Awards on November 21st to 24th. Wow. This is the Rich. No, I'm fair Rich. Yeah, BB ran over me. Okay, so we're still in Accra. We're going towards the Makola market. We're going towards the Accra Central. Accra Central, yes. We're going towards Accra Central. This is Accra. This is, I think, the F1 Salon Park, yes. F1 Salon Children's Park. This is the Children's Park here in Accra. On my far right, on my far left is the Liberia Road and the National Theatre. Another nice edifice. Yeah. Good afternoon. Yeah, me too. Because first time around, I think so now line break. Yeah, my bad. We be able to there. Boko. Me near around. Yeah, it's me number ni. I make catch and say, "Oh, see me who or no, only or no nya samako." So, but me a very tight schedule. Me running around. Me do a lot of stuff. So make bisano be catch or like that I be a mutu no betima plan am be sham. Nti say yeah, because me share no na me share also 2 separate times. Tebi I mutu no mo agree on where e be share na ma hwe say me betuma fit me schedule ni ma na me betimo why. Yeah, because I'll see me echo next week. Yeah. Okay, that's the Sankofa. Pious, hold on. That's the Sankofa symbol. Very important symbol. So, it's going back to. Going back. Yeah, Pious. Yeah, and to the only know because my can be a channel that I take. I'm on your way, I'm check. Yeah, a bit me. My available, now most of the mobile available is why. My take. Yo, okay, Charlie, later. Nation so no. That's why. Very nothing now, different. Skin color, baby, light, very light skin. No, bones are unfair. Still like crack. There's an octagon building, Bank of Africa. You can see right there. Bank of Africa. Octagon branch. Very nice edifice as well. It's the United Nations FAO vehicle. His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo Dankwa, the President of Ghana, right there. I think there's an inauguration ceremony coming up. Hosting Mardi Gras. You have Access Bank right here. Then you have the famous Nyaho Medical Center, owned by Dr. Nyaho Taman. Oh, that's one of the former chief president. Oops. I don't know if in our hand mirror. Okay, please. Of the day 2008, only was the 2008. Of the day hockey pitch were around. I was in the coffee. Because me catching coffee like your hockey pitch were movie. You're some jungle. I'm telling you. So you have the UNDP right here, Food and Agriculture Organization. This is Accra Central, one of the busiest areas in the capital city because of the market. It has several different markets in this area, in this neighborhood. Tudu area. Accra Central. Yeah, oh yeah, this one. Okay. So once I time was doing, I'm going to those Yauko. flag and I said, yeah, that's I'm not this one. No, I want to say Tamas our bro. Papa break too much to the South Hockey Stadium. Okay, so this is where we end the journey. I took you through journey into Accra, so Accra Central actually, to be more specific, Accra Central.